The stock market is obviously full of very high valuations, and people are starting to get concerned that we're potentially entering a future market crash, recession, or even possibly a bear market not too far away. So, of course, this is going to concern some people, but I'm going to tell you why, if you're a young person who's trying to build wealth, why this is potentially some of the best news you will receive if it does come true. So, just to give some context, a bear market is when the stock market drops 20% or more for a certain period of time. We've had 14 bear markets since World War II. They happen on average about once every 5 to 6 years, and on average, they last about 9 to 12 months, some shorter, some longer. Whether this happens next year or happens in 10 years, it's something we're going to see again. It's part of the stock market. Now, when bear markets have happened, they have been some of the best buying opportunities ever in the entire stock market. I want you to take a look at this chart. During the tariff dip, the S&P dropped about 20%. Now, instead of listening to a ton of people in my comments and people on TikTok saying the stock market's going to go to zero, I have no idea what I'm doing, I'm going to lose all my money, I decided to not only buy the dip, but diversify my portfolio into more individual holdings and aggressive things rather than just basic ETFs. As you can see, off just buying and holding shares, no options, my portfolio grew about $65,000 since then. That's an average of over $10,000 a month since April. Just think about this. I only invest in companies that I fully understand and feel confident in the long term. As long as there's not been some extreme changes in the company, why would I not want to take advantage of buying it at a discount? It's still the same company, just at a cheaper price. Bear markets create wealth. A ton of the wealthiest people have picked up a ton of their net worth just by buying through times when other investors were scared. I've been doing two things to prepare for these times. Number one, building my cash so I'm able to take advantage of this opportunity whenever it does come. And number two, I've just got some more conservative positions outside of my growth focused positions just in case I need to pull out money for any reason. Overall though, you're just getting the companies that you love at a discount. And these are some of the best buying opportunities to build wealth as long as you're investing in solid things that you're confident in. And of course, with the individual holdings, that's expecting that no major changes were made in the company. And of course, this is assuming that you're not highly leveraged in the market right now and you're planning to hold your investments for at least a few years.